Top 5 Scary Ring Doorbell Footage. Number 5. A clown dressed in tattered clothes holding 3 red balloons is seen slowly walking towards a family's house. Number 4. An attempted robbery is foiled when a homeowner gets an alert on her phone, showing 3 men attempting to break in and rob the place when the homeowner shouts through the doorbell at them. They quickly scatter and run off into the dark night.
Get away from the door!
Who is that?
Number 3. A man posing as a delivery driver is seen telling a homeowner he has a parcel for him when the homeowner is distracted inside. A gang of men in masks and hoods storm into the house in an attempt to steal anything of value.
I'll put it on your door and take it because coronavirus.
Hey! No!
Number 2. A creepy man is seen prowling around a woman's doorstep. He then rings the doorbell and gives a confused gesture toward the door. He then waits expecting the homeowner to open the door. The homeowner didn't know this man, and it makes no sense why someone would be ringing a doorbell at 3 in the morning. This man is clearly not mentally well and may need some form of mental help. Number 1. Another man seen posing as a delivery driver is seen at someone's door. The man looks harmless until a group of men burst the door down. That's all for today. Please like and subscribe if you want more of these types of videos. See you all in the next one.